Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone's iOS version and available storage so nothing stalls mid-process. Once done, choose your approach: shortcuts-based icons, a widget-heavy layout, or a theme app from the App Store. Make sure to back up your current home screen with a screenshot or iCloud backup. This gives you an easy fallback. You do this because system constraints differ across versions, and planning prevents lost layouts when you overwrite icons or install new widgets. Now you build the visible theme, design custom icons and widgets. Use shortcuts to create single-action icons that launch apps. This maintains functionality while changing visuals. For widgets, install a widget app or configure sizes in Widgetsmith. Once configured, place widgets to balance aesthetics and reachability. Make sure to name shortcuts clearly and test each icon and widget to confirm they open the right app. This step ensures your new look is both pretty and practical. Finish by refining layout and applying a matching wallpaper so colors and contrast work together. Once applied, walk through the home screen to verify each shortcut and widget behaves correctly. If a shortcut misfires, edit its action or reassign the app. Make sure to grant any required permissions to widget apps. If something breaks, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. This often resolves launch failures. If problems continue, revert to your backup screenshot to restore the previous layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.